list.
Ken Cotton reporting there. My first house was in the Dallas area.
Yeah.
I hear it's about 3 to 4 times more expensive now than it was back then. I
Oh,
should
it
have held
is.
on to it. Ooh, I'd be rich. I'd be rich.
I mean, yeah, you would. I mean,
But I'm not. I moved on.
you know, if meteorologists can control the weather, they can make it rain.
That will be. You make it rain and you don't make
Yeah,
it rain.
well, Mother Nature's making it rain right now.
Talking about that, some folks will have it here and there, right?
Yeah, some folks will have it here and there. Very hit and miss,
Very
Neil,
much so.
with those showers and thunderstorms this evening. Now, the quiet weather pattern will begin Wednesday and last through Thursday. Not expecting hardly any rain at all either of those days. And then we do have a threat of severe weather on Friday, so we're going to discuss that. And then at KETK News at 6, we will discuss the rainfall we've had so far this month. But first, a check outside. We do have mostly cloudy skies on our Plaza Tower downtown. Of course, this is thanks to Tyler Neurosurgical, and partly to mostly cloudy skies that will persist throughout the course of the night. However, some of us will see a little bit of rain, but we may be able to complain about the rain. We're not complaining about these temperatures, though. Check this out, folks. Upper 70s, lower 80s. Lufkin's at 83. It's 81 in Nacogdoches, 82 in Center. And part of the reason why we are seeing that chance of some showers and thunderstorms is the fact that our dew points are pretty high. Middle to upper 60-degree dew points for our central and southern counties. Even some 70s showing up. Look at that. Crockett, very humid with a dew point of 73 degrees. So throughout the course of the evening, we are tracking a few showers and thunderstorms through at least 10 o'clock. We will see middle 70s at 8, 69 by 10 as we continue to track those thunderstorms. And winds will be light out of the northwest at about 5 miles per hour. And those northwesterly winds is what's helping keep those temperatures tolerable for this evening. So here's live Viper radar tracking a few showers and thunderstorms here in Rusk and Panola County, especially along into the south of U.S. Highway 79. You can see to the south of Lake Merval there in southwestern Panola County, seeing a shower or two right now with some lightning strikes, but well below severe limits, and I don't expect severe weather tonight. But if you are planning on heading outside, I would remain weather aware. Make sure you do not get caught in a heavy downpour. Remember those umbrellas. Front off to the south, that will bring in some drier air. And as we look at Futurecast here, again, a few bubble up showers and thunderstorms possible through early Wednesday morning. And then we will see a reinforcing front that's going to continue to bring in that dry air and should help keep us dry as we move into late tomorrow evening and throughout the day on Thursday as well. But a couple of clouds through 5 o'clock, and then Thursday we should be mostly clear, at least Thursday morning. This is 7 o'clock. We may factor in a couple of clouds in the afternoon. Okay, heading into Friday, we're already at a slight risk of severe weather. This includes the northwestern 2/3 of our viewing area, including the cities of Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville, Gilmer, places like that. Lufkin, Nacogdoches, not in that slight risk yet, but folks, this is day 4 of the outlook. That could very well be upgraded, or we could have more of our area included in that slight risk. But here's Futurecast. Front to the northwest Friday morning. The front's going to get a little closer to us, and that front is going to provide lift where we've got a lot of instability and humidity and Gulf moisture in our area. So that could spark off a few showers and thunderstorms. But this happens late in the evening, according to Futurecast. A few showers and thunderstorms along Interstate 30 there, and then we continue to see storms throughout the course of late Friday night into early Saturday morning, and through about 8, 9 o'clock Saturday morning, we could very well be dealing with a few showers. Next 7 days. 80s Wednesday, Thursday. Look at that, Neil. 90 degrees Friday with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Again, this is for Tyler, Longview, Jacksonville. 83 Saturday, 82 Sunday, middle 80s Monday into Tuesday, and then deep East Texas, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Crockett included here. All eyes on late Friday night into early Saturday morning. However, could see a couple of showers later on this evening. Neil?
I'm going to a cemetery thing on